What does 3.7 million house and lot looks like? Well, I am presenting to you Newville Townhouse located here at San Mayor, Tansa, Cavite. So ito po ating model unit na si Astrid ay merong lot area na 52 square meter at floor area na 60.40 square meter. Ang kanyang car garage ay cemented na at makikita mo napakalawak. Halika, pasukin natin. Ito ang kanyang living area na naka-ceramic floor tiles at painted finish walls. Ito naman ang kitchen area. Dito naman tayo sa common toilet and bath sa baba. Ito naman ang service area, which is pwede nyo lagyan ng pocket garden or extend ang inyong kitchen. So tara, akyat tayo. So sa taas naman may tatlong bedroom. Ito ang bedroom 1. Bedroom 2. Ito naman ang toilet and bath dito sa taas, which is connected siya sa master's bedroom. Ayan, napakaganda, diba? At ito naman ang balcony. So, for as low as 19,000, magkakaroon ka na ng ganitong kagandang bahay. So, for more details and info, message me, Maria Mercedes A. Tugadi, and free treatment tayo everyday. So, see you soon, guys!